Hey, mate.
There he is.
How are you?
I'm all right,
well?
mate. How are you? It's been a couple of days and you miss me?
Yeah. I really haven't had time to miss you, mate. It's just absolutely so crazy busy. I tell you what, the lava stand and the Ross booth being opposite each other is just a logistical nightmare. You cannot get through there. And we know how busy the lava stand is with the home apps. But I tell you what, on the other side of the walkway, you want to call it that, it's not really a walkway because you can't walk there because it's like I don't know, a nightclub at 12 o'clock at night with music pumping and everyone's having a good time. Across the road is Ross, and their stand is just pumping as much. And I tell you what, they have some really cool stuff as well.
Spidey Cam. Have
Spidey
you seen
Cam.
that?
Oh, what a piece of equipment! Like the engineer and me geeking out. It's just I absolutely love this piece of equipment. Very, very cool. The other thing, of course, the NDI router, and then Artimo Art in Motion. Their
the
robotic
ped.
stuff is just very cool.
Yeah,
very cool.
that's another stunning piece of kit out of Ross Video. They've done it amazing, and I do think Carbonite Code, that NDI production switch, is pretty cool too. The industry's been hanging out for something like that for a long time.
Absolutely. Well, then across the hallway, past the Densitron stand over to hall 10, where you have Riedel and Providius. The Providius stand, I think the guy's going to have to look at maybe having a bigger stand, because I tell you what, every time I walk past the Providius stand or I have a meeting there, it is absolutely pumping. Those guys are flat stick, because any kind of 2110 IP broadcast system needs a Providius BMGR NVRT. Really, really cool stuff. Check it out. That being said, many amazing, cool new products. But one of the things that I was kind of a bit excited about, and I investigated a bit further, was the LAWO Academy. And I've had a talk to the man behind the whole thing. Check it out.
Hey guys, we're here with Wim from LAWO, and you might wonder, why are we not on the LAWO stand? Well, the reason is right behind me. One of the things that we get asked about all the time is the LAWO Academy. How can we train our staff? How can we learn about the LAWO products? And that's what the LAWO Academy is all about. Thanks, Wim, for coming on the Pat Wrap. Can you tell us a bit about the LAWO Academy and what it can do for our customers?
Yeah, absolutely. So the LAWO Academy will allow your customers to go onto an online platform to learn about the LAWO products. So we have built a whole curriculum of online training with some self-paced labs, so that you can easily go online and train as an individual without needing to fill up a full class. It comes with certification and lab access to make sure that you really get this hands-on experience.
That's fantastic. And it's all available now on the LAWO website. Go and check it out, the LAWO Academy. Thank you very much for jumping on the Pat Wrap, mate.
With pleasure.
Far out, man. How good is that? For so long,
really
people
cool.
have been asking us about this, right?
Yes.
Like, can I get trained on an MC² console? Can I learn VSM? Can I learn how to program a media network? And now you can. academy.lawo.com. I think that's amazing. But I'm a little suspicious here, Patrick, because
Why?
who was holding the camera during that interview? I'm feeling a little replacement phobia.
I wouldn't say replacement. Maybe a younger, fitter, better looking version. No, it was great pleasure that I'm letting you know that there's someone who's come from Utrecht, who used to work for PAT for 4.5 years and then decided to move to the Netherlands to live in Europe. And has now found out that actually Australia is the place he wants to call home. Stephen Game is back in town, and he's not back in town only. He will be joining the PAT team again from November, and we're very excited about that. So Stephen was doing the camera work on that, and he's been visiting manufacturers with me, and he's kind of trying to fill in some rather sweaty shoes here at IBC for you. But
look, it's just great. It's great, Pat. It's great to have Stephen back. He's an awesome guy, a great member of the PAT family, and the fact that he's coming home to us and our team is growing with everything that's going on at the moment is just awesome. Steve-O, we're looking forward to having you back, mate. Don't hate the player, hate the game. When it's game on, let's go.
Yeah, but I tell you what, next IBC, you're going to have to be back, mate. We can't do that again.
Oh, look, the mic-less version of IBC is definitely my favourite.
More productive, I'd say. We get more done. We have a lot more fun, I'd say also. Yeah. It's been great.
Adam, how has the show been without Mike?
Who's Mike?
Yes, more successful than in previous years, and I think it's mostly because Mike is not here. Everyone we've spoken to here in elsewhere, yes, everyone's just been in high spirits.
All right, yeah.
It's been amazing.
Do you think people were in better mood because?
Better mood.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
Even people not even at the show, just walking in the street. It's been
In the street as well.
in the street, just yeah.
Oh, it's going to be a hard pill for him to swallow, but okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Thank you for that candid feedback.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you.
About Mike,
Yeah.
I think the paragraphs have been funny at the call.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Well, here's one.
Just by myself. It's just, I'm getting too old for this, you know. It's just, there's too many steps on the counter. I just like, yeah.
No, it's been great. The show's been wonderful. It's been really good. And we miss Mike. What can I say? Mike, you got to be here. Come on.
You know, I just got to be honest. Mike is such a crucial part of the PAT team. He's the only person at PAT I trust. He's the inventor of TV, and I'm so devastated that Mike Hurd is not here at this show.
Another IBC has come to an end.
Cheers.
It's time to have a little Heineken. Cheers. 55. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers.